to show you, in today's video, I want to show you a tunnel tent from Camper Shop. And yeah, I want to show you how you can set it up and how big it is and how many persons can fit into the tent. And yeah, then let's roll the intro and then let's get started. Okay, then I show you what is inside the package when you get it. And yeah, I show you what's inside. And that's everything you need. Everything is in the package. Okay, now I have a problem with me. Okay, the size of the package is really small and you can fit it in almost every backpack, and you can take it everywhere with you if you go hiking, or yeah, put it in your car or something like this. Okay, yeah, as you can see, that is the base and the footprint of the tent. Here we have a small package with the tent poles. You can see aluminium, nice quality, they cannot rust. What we have here, some good quality nails for the ground that you can fix your tent to the ground, and even in stormy weather, the tent stays there where you put it. And oh, I almost forget about it. And something like this. Yeah, a whole lot more. I don't know if you can see it, but it's everything inside what you need. Okay, so let's try to build this tent. We need a flat surface for this. Maybe we go here. Okay, first you put it on the ground. Come a little bit closer so everyone can see it. You can lay it on the ground. Now okay, now we got the tent poles. You can see we have only two. You can really quick put them together like this. A little bit wobbly, but it's okay. Put the first down and the second one. Really easy. Oh, by the way, our dog is very excited about tent 2. As you can see, that's Cooper. That's the company dog. Say hello. Okay. So, okay. It's really simple and quick. The longer thingy you have to put in the front. You can stick it into here and then really easy with these clips. You can clip it onto the tent pole. Don't miss any clip. Really simple. And I think that's the last one. Yeah, that's the last one. And then put it in here. On the other side, the same. Okay, and now the back of the tent. Then put it here. These clips. Now the nails come into play, and you fix the tent on the ground with these nails. Really simple. And if you have a soft ground like this, or not, it's better when you have a hammer or something like that with you, but I don't at the moment. But I only show it to you so you know how it works. Okay, then you put it in all sides, the tent nails, but for now I put it only 2 here so you can see it. Okay, now we must connect the tent, tighten it up a little bit. Like this, for example. Yeah, you definitely need a hammer for this. It's way better. Okay, and the other side, the same. You fix it here on the nail, and then give it a little bit tension, and then you put it in the ground. Yeah, and that's almost everything. Now you have the top cover. I will show you how to put on the top cover. Okay, now let me close this real quick. Now we have the waterproof top cover for the tent, for the tunnel tent. And here's the front. And somewhere here is the back. You put it on. Really simple, really quick. Then you can fix it here on these points with the ground nails as well. Here you put the ground nails, and yeah, I don't fix it completely, but you know how it works. And this is your front entrance to the tent. If you open it, that's the opening. If you have some hiking poles or some sticks, you could put it this way that you have a rain-safe, rainproof entry for the tent. But I don't have any sticks here right now, so yeah. But I think you know how it works. And yeah, that is the tent. Okay, and that's the inside of the tent. You see, it's enough space for 1 or 2 persons, and this you can give it a little bit more tension when you make the end of the tent a little bit more. You fix it a little bit better on the ground, so it would be like this. Yeah, that's the tent, and you can attach the top very good to the base of the tent. And yeah, that's it. Looks good, huh? Here you can put it on the ground. Very good looking tent, and you can order it in different colors, the tent or the top you can get in different colors from us, and I will link the product in the description down below. And yeah, wait a sec. And yeah, if you like the video, then give us a thumbs up, or if not, then not. And yeah, please take a look at campershop.com. I will link the store and the product in the description as well, like I said. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys. Bye.